Have you ever felt the frustration of pouring your heart and creativity into a TikTok video, only to find it barely reaches your followers? You're not alone. Many creators face this dilemma, and understanding the reasons behind it can be a game changer for your social media strategy. First and foremost, TikTok's algorithm is a complex beast. It prioritizes content based on user engagement, meaning that if your video isn't generating enough likes, comments, or shares within the first few hours, it might not be shown to your followers. This algorithm thrives on interaction, so the more engaging your content is, the better your chances of visibility. Another factor could be your posting times. Timing is everything. If you're posting when your audience is least active, your videos may not get the traction they need to be pushed out. Experiment with different times and days to pinpoint when your followers are most engaged. Don't forget about the importance of hashtags. Using relevant and trending hashtags can significantly increase your reach. If your video is tagged with popular hashtags, it can attract a wider audience, including potential new followers who might love your content. Lastly, consider the quality of your videos. High-quality visuals, catchy sounds, and engaging storytelling can make a world of difference. If your videos are consistently captivating, they're more likely to be shared and recommended by the algorithm. In the end, don't get discouraged. Keep creating, experimenting, and engaging with your audience. With persistence and a little know-how, you'll soon find your videos reaching the followers you've worked so hard to connect with. Remember, every creator faces bumps in the road. It's all part of the journey to social media success. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.